Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Just Eat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Just Eat, click the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, Just Eat is partners with diverse range of restaurants offering cuisines from around the world. Basically, redeeming a gift card allows you to choose from a wide selection of restaurants in your area. Of course, catering to different tastes and preferences. Ordering food through the Just Eat is as convenient as you can do it from the comfort of your home or wherever you are using their website, which is justeat.com, or the mobile app. This saves time and effort compared to cooking or, of course, going to restaurants in person. Now, all you have to do is go to the Just Eat gift cards if you haven't done already, and you can redeem a gift card or a buy a gift card. Now, for example, it's a birthday, goodbye gift, or just, just saying a little thank you. You can buy a Just Eat gift card and give your friends, family, or partner, I don't know, and family the great of gift cards. Now, click on the buy a gift card right here, and you would be directed to this specific page, wherein all you have to do is choose an amount. It could be from 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. Now, I'm going to choose the 20 for now. And of course, you have the reason to someone else if you wanted. If you wanted to send it to yourself, just, probably like we wanted to use this in the future. Now, you can use the gift card type, such as the card. It's going to be a physical card. The thing is, the last Royal Mail date will be on the 21st of December. All right. Now, if you don't want the traditional card, you might want to opt for the digital, which is gonna be email. All right. And of course, you can add something personal. I don't know, like put a message and add to basket. Now, once you do that, what will happen is it will be forwarded to your basket, and of course, all I have to do is proceed to checkout, or if you want to add another gift card. After that, all I have to do is go again to this section and click on the redeem a gift card. All right, you can purchase anything, any item that you wanted, and all I have to do is go to this section. If you have a gift card or account credit code, enter your PIN or code. Say, for example, it's going to be a random of numbers, and click on redeem. And after that, you would be able to redeem gift cards on Just Eat. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.